So what's going on? Welcome to the last vlog here in Taipei, Taiwan. I think I'm gonna try and knock off all the foods I haven't tried yet. I still haven't tried like the omelette, pork bun. So I'll come up with a little itinerary. So for this last day, what are we gonna get up to? And there's this dumpling place. It's supposed to be really good. It's always packed, always has massive lines. It's called Tai Fung. I've seen one in the Taipei 101 shopping center. Then there's the Ximending sort of district shopping area. It's kind of like Shibuya. I don't know if you've been in Japan, where the big crossing is and all the neon lights and all the shops, and it's like cool place, especially young people like it. Then the Longshan Temple. You kind of do get templed out. This one's supposed to be one of the best ones, and it's right nearby sort of the area. And then there's the Bipialo Old Street, so it's supposed to be like old architecture. So there's this place right next to my hotel, and they sell these pies. I went with a pork one. I've been eyeing these off for a while now. It's cost about $1.50 Australian. Went with a chili sauce. Oh wow. That's good. It's got like minced pork in there, chives. Oh, that pastry is nice. Oh, that's super good. It's kind of like, I don't know, it reminds me of something you'd get like some European food. Probably not the best description, but it's like a minced pork pie. That's really good. Yeah, they had like radish ones, all sorts of ones. It's pretty solid. So I've arrived here at Ximending. Right out the front of Ximen Station is the Shibuya of Taipei. So we've got this coloured crossing here. I'm not sure if it's for gay people. So I'm guessing at night this all lights up in neon, and it's kind of like, yeah, neon like in Shibuya, Tokyo. Pretty cool. There's a bunch of young people, a bunch of shops here. It's funny, everyone's lining up to get a picture on the coloured crossing. Don't think I need one. So right now I'm in the line, I'm in this massive line for some bubble tea. I think the place is called Xing It says #1 in Taiwan. Looks like some, oh, it's got gold on it. It's got like gold lace on it. This line is absolutely massive. I'm probably gonna get the best bubble tea of my life. It's got gold on it. So what I got here is a gold leaf brown sugar bubble tea. It costs 185 new Taiwan dollars, which is like $8. It's warm on the bottom and then it's cold on the top. It's got like gold leaves there and brown sugar. Massive lion. I actually won this free like cookie. You go in like a raffle and the ball comes out, and I won like a free cookie. But this looks pretty damn good. But that is good. I don't think you put the lid on properly. It's creamy. I like how it's warm on the bottom and then it's cold on the top. Oh yeah, that brown sugar. Because you've actually got the brown sugar there. Official rating on this gold plated bubble tea. That's an 8.8. That's probably worth the wait. So one thing I've noticed about Taipei is you're never far away from a Watson pharmacy. So if you ever need Vaseline or baby powder, you're always sorted. Also the 7-Elevens, like the 7-Eleven density, it's crazy, they're everywhere. And one other thing I've noticed is arcades. There's a bunch of arcades, probably more than I noticed in Japan. But right now, I've just found this, like, there's these alleys with all this street art. It's pretty cool. So is there anything Supreme doesn't make? Freaking Supreme, what's that, a freaking measuring cup. So this one behind me is my favorite artwork. It says Grand Fleets Runner, the Twilight Zone or something, because I'm a massive Grand Theft Auto fan. It looks pretty cool. Even got like the Rockstar logo, but it's like an F. So I'm here at the Longshan Temple. Entrance is free, but as soon as you walk in here, yeah, you can smell that incense. It's really nice. There's a lot of people here right now. Looks like they've got big tables with offerings. They've got like chocolates. They do this ritual. I don't know what it is, but they have like 2 red pieces. They're like wooden pieces, and they're like throw them on the ground. It's quite interesting. Yeah, it's really nice. The attention to detail in this temple. So right now I'm at the Liyue historic block. So basically what it is, it's a street that's been preserved since the Qing dynasty. So pretty much it features a bunch of bricked old houses and shops and whatnot. Now there's actually like exhibitions inside the buildings, like artwork. It's like a theater thing. Pretty cool. I just wrapped up there at Tai Fung. Yeah, so that was definitely the most incredible dumplings that I've ever had. I've got 4 things. I got this like noodle dish with like sesame. I got a sesame bun, which by the way I recommend. I've got like pork bun. These like dumplings with prawns. It was absolutely amazing. It was so packed there, and for good reasons. It's so organized. Like they've got a system. Pretty much you go to the front, you get like a number and you get like a form where you fill out what you want ahead of time, and then they've got like a numbering system like McDonald's that shows you when your table's ready, and they had like a split up into like 1 to 2 tables, like 3 to 4, and then there was like big tables. Yeah, so actually it said 50 minutes, but actually probably only took 25 minutes for mine. But yeah, they had like spots to put your bag. Like the service was really good. Yeah, definitely worth the wait for sure, but best dumplings of my life. I think this is going to be a country that has a special place in my heart. I know what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. Catch you when I do. Now it's time for dinner, and I'm going to go to another night market. This one's called the Lahu night market. It's about 5 kilometers away from where I am. So you've got to get on the yellow line at the MRT. Let's go. Alright, so I've made a hit to the Lahu night market, and what I've got is another big ass piece of fried chicken. This has got chili on it. Cost 75 new Taiwan dollars, and this thing is massive. They've got a thing with big ass pieces of fried chicken here. Looks so good. That is an unbelievable piece of chicken. Got the spicy. Oh, that is so good. Macau adventures tomorrow. Yeah, I'll catch you in the next vlog.